Hey everybody, welcome to Cooking with James. I'm your host James. Today, another simple and delicious cook. We're going to be doing crispy corn dogs, not soft and mushy, and crispy tater tots in the Ninja Speedi. Really fast, let's get into it. Alright, so real quick I just want to show you what we're going to be using. And so we've got some corn dogs here. Now these are all frozen, rock hard. I'll just take it out to show you, but I also have something to say about this because if you do this, okay, fine, whatever. But I think it's absolutely disgusting. When you take one of these corn dogs, frozen, hard as a rock, and you stick them in the microwave. Disgusting. The breading gets soft, it cracks, you got hot up here, cold in the middle, whatever. That's what you do? Okay, but if you have a Ninja Speedi, do this. We're gonna make these crispy like they were fried. Also, we've got tater tots. I usually get Ore-Ida, but these are just regular tater tots, just a store-bought brand. And we're gonna make these crispy like they were fried as well, but instead of using oil, we are going to be using 1/3 cup of water. All right, let's kick them up. All right, so here we are at the Ninja Speedi. Get ready to cook these up. All right, so we're gonna open this up. And inside, we're just gonna use the little crisper tray that's on the bottom there. And it is, it's on the bottom. Okay, so it's not on the top, it's on the bottom. We're gonna take our 1/3 cup of water, put it in there, just like that. Grab our corn dogs, put those in there. I'll show you this just in a minute. And then our tater tots. Go ahead and fill that puppy up. Love me some crispy tater tots for sure. Alright, so let's show you what I got here. And just like that, corn dogs on one side, tater tots on the other. Easy peasy. So from here I want to say also the corn dogs, if you want to use bigger corn dogs, I've done bigger, same time, same temperature. Doesn't matter the brand. I've tried a few different brands also. It turns out just the same. Crispy and delicious like they were fried. Okay, so let's close this up. We are going to turn the unit on. Alright, so we got the unit on. Now up here, we want to flip this over so we are on the Speedi Meals side. Okay, now you want to go down one notch. We got Speedi Meals, and the next one down is Steam and Crisp. The temperature, we are going to put up to 400. The time is going to be 14 minutes. We are going to hit start. It's going to start doing its thing. You know, a minute or two for the steam. And what's going to happen is that steam is going to start defrosting the corn dogs and the tater tots. That top element's going to come on, starts crisping up. I can't wait. At about 12 minutes or so, we'll take a quick look, but we'll see you then. All right, guys. So we're counting down 7, 6, 5, 4. We'll open this up in just a second, and then say something here. Oh, those look amazing. So I did at 12 minutes. I just opened the top real quick just to kind of check. It's just something I do. I don't know. Anyway, but golden, crispy, everything looks. Oh yeah, crispy good. Okay, these fire, absolutely great. So I'm gonna take these out. Got a little basket here. I'm gonna put them all in. Get the tots out. Get the corn dogs out. Plate it up, take a bite, see how crispy and stuff it is. See you in a minute. Alright guys, so we are finished, and real simple. Corn dogs, nice and crisp. Tater tots, nice and crisp. So just take a bite. Now, the next thing is to make sure that the corn dogs not only crispy, but they're cooked in the middle. I know they're still really hot, so take a bite for you guys. Those are perfectly cooked from frozen. Like I said, I do not like corn dogs in the microwave. And obviously you can't put tater tots or fries in the microwave either. That's also just disgusting. So really easy, 14 minutes, a couple minutes for the preheat, but you get great corn dogs. This, I'm gonna finish this with some ketchup, a little mustard, maybe some ranch, something like that. But that's how you do it. I will meet you up top. All right, so we're finished. How easy was that? Super easy. And actually I got a video coming up to show you 5 tips and tricks of different things. I got a great, another, I won't call it soup, but something that you guys will like also. So I'm gonna start coming out with more content. And I got another surprise for you guys. It'll be on my next video. I'll let you know about that. But anyway, super easy. If you are new to my channel, please think about subscribing if you like the content. Make sure to give it a thumbs up, drop an awesome comment. With that being said, we'll catch you on the next cook. Thanks for watching.